Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you here? Well, what we've got is an absolutely gorgeous fountain pen. Some of you will look at the clip, you'll recognise it straight away. Yes, what we have is a Conway Stewart fountain pen. What we have is a Conway Stewart 84 fountain pen and made in England. Now, the 84 series fountain pens came numerous different colours. As you can see quite clearly, this is a beautiful classic black fountain pen. As I said, they came in different colours, different marbling. In fact, I did actually do a review on a similar pen in different colours, which at the end I'll leave you a link. You can go and have a look at that particular pen there. There's a little bit more information. Dating this pen around about 1950s. The size from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 119 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, quite a nice hefty 11 millimeters in diameter. As we said earlier, comes in this gorgeous classic black. I've actually restored it, didn't need a lot of work doing to it. But it's in absolutely beautiful condition. Let's show you the barrel imprint. You'll see it reads Conway Stewart 84, and then underneath it has made in England. Let's give you another different angle because sometimes it's a little bit clearer. Again, Conway Stewart 84. You'll also notice it's a lever fill fountain pen, so it comes in this classic black with gold fill trim. You'll see the lever has the Conway Stewart logo to the end, and if we take you up to the cap there, it has a nice, quite a wide cap band to the bottom of the cap and the very recognisable Conway Stewart diamond clip. Let's show you a sideways view. In absolutely gorgeous condition. To the very top we've got this brass rather peaked stud to the very top there, and that stud there sort of complements the end of the barrel being slightly peaked as well. But all in all, a stunning example. Not the largest size pens available, not the smallest, but a lovely quality made fountain pen. Let's undo the cap, which screws on and screws off. Let's give you a few little different angles of the pen. As you can see, in absolutely superb condition. The section just above the thread there, you can see quite a small section. It sort of tapers towards the end of the nib, and the nib itself, again, a lovely Conway Stewart 14 karat gold Conway Stewart nib. I don't know if you can actually see, but to the very bottom, just hiding into the section there, it has a number 4. So it's the correct number 4 nib for this pen. If I keep it nice and still, one thing you may notice is that the tip in there, what we've got is a oblique nib. There's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed underneath. As you can see, as always, being restored, everything is everything's been thoroughly cleaned and it's in beautiful condition. As I said, not the smallest. I've got quite large hands and it's still quite a nice comfortable pen for me to hold. So somebody, well, this will be a beautiful pen for somebody to use as a daily writer. Yes, how does it write? Will be interesting with that oblique nib. I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I said, I've put a new sack in it. I'll leave that to the new owner. They can decide whether they actually want to fill the pen and use it, or just to simply display the pen. But what we'll do, we'll dip it in the ink just for a writing sample. So what we have is Conway Stewart. As we said, this one is the 84. Let's just give it another little dip. The date of the pen, 1950s, as we've just said. Oh, excuse the writing. Does it have any variation in line? A little bit, as you can see there. I would say it's a fine line, but we are getting a little bit of variation with it being an oblique nib. But all in all, I would say it's writing with a fine line. As I said, a little bit of variation. You can see on the downward stroke it's sort of slightly broader, but mainly I would say a fine oblique nib. But all in all, a very, very smooth writer. Lovely, lovely example. So let's pop that to one side and let's pop the cap back on. There we have it. Again, a beautiful example of a classic Conway Stewart 84 in this beautiful classic black colour. Gold fill trim. Very, very nice pen. So let's pop that down. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I've enjoyed showing them to you. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Subscribe to my channel. There's the link up here for the other 84 that I showed you a little while ago. And if you possibly can, please support my work. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.